seen you. We are married. Okay. Oh,
Seriously.
okay. Acropolis is in front of us. And we can see Lycabettus to the right behind.
Shout out sis, roses and lilies.
Zero views, zero everybody. Acropolis. Everyone's over there looking at it. Ancient Greece.
I'm not sure. Oh, we can zoom in. Look.
Now you don't need to come here, just look at this. Do you remember anything from that?
I don't. I only remember this one. Can we just sit a little bit? I remember this one. This one is the where they eat. It's like a restaurant, and this is where they get poisoned as well. I think.
This was like a theater.
Yeah. That one is what's the name of that theater? I forgot. Shout out sis Cheche and KSA. Ayan guys, nag-live na ako kasi napuno ko na yung 60k minutes viewed. Ayan, so wala lang.
Oh!
Ayan, ito po yung parang parang bar nila noon. Itong na-zoom in ko. Tapos yung sa likod niyan, yan yung
Totally agree with that.
something like Epidemus Theater, I forgot.
Yeah.
Tapos ito na yung yung
Check our video on YouTube.
Labyrinth, the Labyrinth. Oh my god, I did not do my homework.
What homework? We weren't even supposed to be there.
Yeah. This is just a sidewalk. Sidewalk. Kidding. From Philippapo Hill we are seeing this. So actually this is what we can see from here is actually the 7th slope of Greece, because everything is there. It's called 7th slope because it's just all there in the 7th tourist spot. It's just next to each other, but it's just very far if you walk, of course.
It's very next to each other but very far.
It's next to each other. It's far because it's wide.
Okay. And there you have Lycabettus. It's a stone dropped from goddess Athena dropped something, and that became the mountain.
Wow. It looks like a bee to me. Bee.
There was some baby.
Shout out from University of Emirates. What is that? River Emirates. Ano yung salitang Emirates ay? Where kayo nagstay talaga? Dito kami sa atin, sis. Sis Roses.
Sis Roses.
Yes. Ang hirap pala pag naka-landscape mag-live. Kasi yung mga chat pahiga. Oh my goodness. Hello sis Xuanxi. Nahirapan ako sa pangalan. Si Cast Linghon na lang. Si Cast Linghon. Yan. Thank you. Thank you sa pag-visit guys. Ayan. Actually, hindi ko talaga planadong mag-live kasi may pagkatamads. So, parang gusto ko lang ng talagang exact date as a proof na andito ako. Charot. Ayan. Yung makikita nyo guys, ito. Nasaan yung kamay ko? This. Ayan po yung tinatawag na Parthenon. Yung parang pinakamalaking nila nun.
Main part.
Yes, the main part of the
Acropolis.
Thanks for the assistance.
You're welcome.
Hello, Letty L. Liedo. Shout out po. naka-landscape pero parang mas mahirap bigkasin name ko. Oo nga, mas mahirap bigkasin name mo. Sino mag-a-adjust? Yung camera mag-a-adjust. Nako, baka pag uwi ko nito after live, yung magkakaroon ako ng stiff neck. Kasi first time ko nga mag-live at hindi ko alam na ganito pala pag i-landscape mo, yung text niya is naka-portrait pa din. So parang pahiga. Ang hirap naman. Yes, tama, Acropolis.
Acropolis was the main center of the capital. The biggest market here. Everyone came to trade.
Before. Not today though.
Not now.
Nakikita niyo yung ano, you can see the wall, it's all stones. From there going up there, it's too high. I know there is a hidden cave somewhere. Like, wait a moment. I don't think I can try zoom in. I think somewhere here.
It's there with the white things.
Yes,
going
you
up.
can see there is like a three. How do you call that?
Surfing boards.
It's not a surfing
It looks
board.
like surfing boards from here.
It looks like a letter M with a straight head. Straight head.
It looks like the Roman number 3.
Yeah. It looks like a,
To the left of it, it's a cave.
yeah, to the left, to the right, Marian Rivera. Oh my god, my hands is shaking.
That is, you need money now because you mentioned that.
What money?
You mentioned that you need the money.
Who? Mention who? I just sing to the left, to the left. Did I say
You said
her
no
name?
Yeah.
Did I say her name?
Yep.
I need medicine. Ooh.
That's also trademark.
Ako na daw mag-adjust sa tabing lig ko. Tabingin na din leg mo. Bakit yung ano ba? Pati yung video ko ba? Hindi pa naka-landscape yung yung video ko. Naka-portrait ba siya? Yatay. Ulitin ko kaya to.
Landscape is the best.
Payakap naman po, sabi ni Obet Deloro Perol. Guys, naka-landscape, naka-portrait pa yung ano ko, pero nakapahiga. Diyos ko naman, mali-mali naman to. Ooh, hello, shout out the Winter Farm Vlog. How was your vlog? How's your farm? No, I said it wrong. I said the Winter Farm Vlog. Did you notice?
No, I only heard the
Hey guys, look at that.
Hello, Bob.
Bob is not there.
How do you know?
Because I know he's not there. Ikot mo po ang leeg. Teka,
Shout
tawag ko
out
mo.
to Bob.
Ikot leeg. Teka, tawag. Good evening po, sis Ros Villarde. Oy, tika nga.
7
Tanong ko
million
nga,
in the house.
yung naka-landscape ba ako, naka-portrait?
She can't read from the side.
That's why I need to do this.
They can't see you. She's turning her head to read.
They can't see me.
No.
He
Unless you
is in
turned
a
into
met-
Acropolis, then they can't
Love,
see you.
he is in a meeting right now.
Oh.
Guys, you can see the, do I need to speak English? It's so hard.
So go ahead, whatever you
What is hard, really?
right now.
Right now.
It's appropriate.
What is appropriate? I'm
It's
just,
not appropriate.
I said it's hard to speak English.
No, you didn't.
Because,
you asked what
yeah,
is hard.
wait a minute. Because they are Filipino and I'm talking to them English, I feel like,
Weirdo.
just like you said. That's so hard.
Speak Japanese. Hi, sayonara, bye.
So, okay guys, kikita nyo yung look at the houses. It looks like
Anthill.
what anthill? That's so flat. That's so flat. It's like a flooding house. It's like I called it the ant house.
That's what I said.
What did you say that? I didn't hear.
Hill.
Okay, sorry, I didn't read. They're saying something.
Didn't read.
They're saying something. Saan ba yan, dam? Sa Amsterdam. Joke. Sa Greece po. Rose Bilarde. Yes, speak English and Ilonggo. Okay. Hindi kaya ako pagalitan ni Baka sabihin niya pinag-uusapan natin siya. Charot.
What is English? No,
Colette at yun yung dalawa, dam. Ito naman ang plastic nito. Hindi mo kami nakikita eh. Nakikita mo ba? Ang ganda ng view kasi. Maganda nga yung view. Kaso lang view lang. Grabe kayo. Sama nyo naman kamay. Yung puno, nakahiga po. Oh my shit. Yung po, oh my shit. Nakahiga yung puno. Sabi ko na nga ba end ko to. Kasi nga mali yung enter ko, char. Bye! Ulitin ko.
You're quitting already?
Ulitin ko. Sabi ko na bakit weird yung text pahiga?
Tell them to write the other way. Please type the other
Guys,
way.
try nyo nga daw try.
What do you call it? Landscape typing, please.
No, they have to put their phone landscape.
Only landscape messages already.
Wait guys, I will have to end this because I need to redo it. It's hard to read. Thank you so much everyone. Have a good day. Signing off, Miss Philippines. Charat.
We'll be right back after no messages.
Oh yeah, we'll be right back after next year. Year.
Where's the echo from?
Pwede ikot?
Just
Pag ganyan?
There you go.
Hindi ba pangit yung starting ng video kasi nakahiga tapos bigla nyo yung ganito? Okay na ba? Ayun, naputol na yung view. Ang liit na tuloy. Sakto na. Hindi kasi yung yung tripod ko, hindi siya tripod ba tawag dito? Yung parang selfie stick, pero hindi naman talaga siya selfie stick eh.